Today we are doing an experiment. We're going to make sedimentary rock out of yummy rocky road. The main type of sedimentary rocks is one that is made from lots or a couple other rocks. Today I'll be demonstrating the way sedimentary rock is formed and what deposition is through a yummy rocky road. The pressure from the chocolate, which is demonstrating mud, water, etc., onto the other foods causes each layer of food to compact together, meaning each layer is pushed together and reduced in size. The layers you see here are layers of sediment. These could be different types of rock and may have come from different areas. They all then come together and become sedimentary rock. But the rocks that have nice horizontal lines usually have been either setting for a longer time or the layers were thinner when it was in the process of being made. But this one I have just made has larger rocks, pebbles, etc. To sum it up, sedimentary rocks are rocks that are made up of many other rocks. Sedimentary rocks are seen everywhere. I guess you've heard of Uluru, that's a sedimentary rock.